So how do I get rid of this? Wow, look at that. Hello, it's a beautiful morning here in Taman Negara Pahang, and yeah, I am here at the NKS track operator, and it's going to be an exciting weekend. I'm going to do a 2-day 1-night hike and camp, and we're going to camp in a cave. So they provided us 3 big bottles of water, which we will have to carry in our load. So we're here at the meeting point of our 2 days 1-night hike and camp in a cave, and we've got quite a big group. I'm gonna have to fit this into my 40-liter pack. I don't know, 8 kg. I guess. Michelle, how do you feel?
Excited! I scared at the same time, oh my god.
Look at her pack.
Going for...
Yeah, we're going for a 2 days 1-night, but I think once we reach the cave, we're gonna leave Michelle in the cave and say bye-bye to her, and she's gonna live there forever.
Look for my cousin.
Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our group has got about 9 of us, mostly foreigners, and then Michelle and I. So we're heading to the jetty where we will be registering and paying for, and getting our permit to enter Taman Negara. Taman Negara Pahang, and this is Sungai Tembeling, the Tembeling River, heading to the jetty. Beautiful weather. Ready? So now that we've done with the registration at the main office and got our permits, time to get back to the jetty and go on the boat ride. Coming in.
Ada dengan api kan? Ada dengan api kan? Ada.
So before we actually go to the starting point of the actual track, we have made a pit stop here in Canopy Walkway just to have a short walk here, and then we're gonna get on the boat again, and it's another 1.5 hour boat ride to the actual starting point of the track. I lost count of how many canopies there were, but I think it was about 5, 6, maybe 7. That was a good warm up for the actual hike later. So we are at the starting point, 1 p.m. at the moment. Had our lunch and here we go.
Then you smell it.
Oh,
Yeah, you smell it.
yeah.
Yeah.
What it is?
Moment, yeah.
Smells like Chinese temple.
To close the hole in the boat because it becomes sticky. See that?
Yeah.
Okay, like a glue, yeah? Okay. And then for us, everything is wet in the jungle after the rain. You like to make the fire, yeah? This the thing, they can help you for fire starter or candlelight because easy burning. Okay? Yeah? Like that. Alright, or the rising, yeah? This one maybe I can say like more or less 200 or 300 years, we just can say that. Because we count by the diameter. Okay, we count by the diameter, yeah, but we just can say like more or less. Because for example, you can see the tree at the river bank. To compare the tree in the jungle at the river bank more biggest and then more tallest. Because they have like 100% of the sunlight. So in the jungle, we only have a 30% of the sunlight. That's why some of the place you can see the tree is like same level.
Two kilometers down,
Almost like a
8 more to go.
almost
2 down, 8 more to go.
it's quite warm.
Super duper humid. It's our guide, used to have really long hair,
Lost before,
like a rock star. The oldest tropical rainforest in the world.
In Spain,
三里灰了。
Sandiquela.
So how do I get rid of this?
You got salt, right? You got
Yes,
salt,
I
right?
know. Okay, come. Salt. Where's my salt?
But I think you can just, it's on
Yeah,
your
yeah.
back, you can just flick it.
There's a leash here.
So this is the lich, the blood sucker.
Yeah.
So far it's been beautiful. Staying hydrated as much as possible.
Mana ke?
Atas ni.
Yes. Kalau boleh pegang atas tu boleh tak?
Oh, careful. Slippery.
Thank you.
Für diese Hose ist es mindestens genauso nass wie meine andere.
We're not there yet, we're just halfway. This is just a pit stop and it is Gua Luas, and we're gonna take a break here.
So we can have a rest here, yeah? But in the case they don't have the leash.
How much water do you have?
Afronteringscigaretten.
You have two big ones.
Afronteringscigaretten.
That 100 plus extra. Okay. I've got a big bottle and half a small bottle.
Well, it's been quite an interesting trek so far. I think quite a number of times we had to walk and balance our way over fallen logs and cross few rivers and lots of muddy areas. I think all of us got our shoes totally drenched in mud. And at one point we also had to crawl on all fours to get under a fallen log. So that was quite interesting. But yeah, 6 kilometers down, 2 more to go.
How's the water? How is the water?
Yeah, good.
Good? Okay.
Oh, it's in the cave now. Yeah. Finally.
Oh, here it is. We're here. Oh man. Here we are. Gua Kepayang Besar. And this is where we're gonna camp for the night.
So we finished for 10 kilometers.
10 kilometers, not 8.
More or less today.
10 kilometers. 10 kilometers, guys.
If you like to get down later, you can use the flip flop. It's okay.
We made it!
On the inside or?
Yeah, inside.
This is our hotel tonight. Hotel Kepayang Besar.
Still cave.
Yes, we made it. Just before dark. Yes. I think there's another group here. Morning.
Just arrived. Group yo.
兩個到咗咯，
好犀利啊！
好攰啊！
好攰啊！
Wow, look at that.